Ever wondered why coconuts are so hard to crack? Probably because they're the only fruit that wears a helmet. Now imagine you're surrounded by a sea of these hard-headed fruits. The Casa Chameleon staff have mastered the art of coconut cracking. And today, we're borrowing a leaf from their book. We're going to walk you through a step-by-step process to crack open a coconut, just like a local. So buckle up, folks. It's time to go nuts. I mean coconuts. Step 1, pick a coconut. Remember, not all coconuts are created equal. It's like a beauty pageant, but with less swimsuits and more husks. Now you may think, a coconut's a coconut, right? Wrong. We're not just looking for a pretty face here, we need substance too. And by substance, I mean water. That's right, a good coconut should sound like the ocean when you shake it. Think of it as the coconut auditioning for the lead role in your culinary masterpiece. It's got to have the looks, the talent, and the hydration levels of a marathon runner. Don't be afraid to be picky. This isn't a time for charity. Now you might be wondering, how do I know if it's fresh? Well, you're in luck because these coconuts come with a built-in freshness indicator. Just give it a little shake. If it sloshes, it's fresh. If it doesn't, well, it's the coconut equivalent of a has-been. Once you've found the coconut of your dreams, it's time for the next step. Step 2, it's time to give your coconut a shave. And no, it doesn't need any shaving cream. Now this isn't your average morning routine, folks. We're talking about a full-blown barber session for our little tropical friend here. Picture this, a coconut in a barber's chair. The machete is our trusty razor, and you're the skilled barber. Now hold your coconut firmly, not like it's a hot potato, but like it's a precious egg. We're not making an omelet here. We're shaving a coconut. With your machete, begin to shave off the outer shell. No need to rush. We're not setting any world records here. Shave with care, as if you're preparing the coconut for its big date. I bet you didn't know coconuts needed this much TLC, did you? Well, with each stroke of the machete, our coconut is getting a smooth and clean look, ready to show off its inner beauty. And voila! With the outer shell gone, we're one step closer to the sweet reward. Stay tuned, coconut fans, the best is yet to come. Step 3, let's get to the good stuff. It's like cracking open a natural can of soda, but way healthier and less fizzy. Now it's time to unleash the sweet nectar of the coconut, the thirst-quenching water that's been waiting patiently inside. But how, you might ask? Well, it's a bit like popping the cork on a bottle of champagne, sans the fancy attire and pretentious small talk. First, you'll need your trusty machete again. Make sure it's sharp. We don't want to be hacking away like we're in a poorly directed action movie. Now with a swift and confident strike, aim for the top of the coconut, just like you're opening a can of soda with a little more vigor. As you pierce the top, you'll hear that satisfying psst sound. No, not from a can, but from Mother Nature's own drink dispenser. Now get your straw ready, or if you're feeling particularly wild today, tip it back and take a swig straight from the source. Ah, the sweet taste of victory and hydration. But don't go celebrating just yet. After you've quenched your thirst, there's just one final step to go. Well, that's the end of our How to Open a Coconut tutorial. I hope you had as much fun as I did, and remember, practice makes perfect. We've gone from a hairy situation to an audition, a great shave-off, a thirst-quenching experience, and a grand finale. All in the name of cracking open a coconut, folks. It's been a wild ride, hasn't it? But remember, the coconut won't crack itself, so keep practicing. And if you think you've mastered the art, maybe it's time to audition for a job at Casa Chameleon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And for more funny news from Thailand, subscribe to Funny Thai News. Stay coconutty, folks.